Before we get started, your blades must be set close enough in order to get the line out. In order to remove this line right here, we're going to fully close the lever on the clipper and begin blending up. I've already blended the top of the fade, so the only thing I'm doing is blending out the bottom. I've already balded out the bottom of this fade with the shaver, so this is as close as it can get. And this video is just to show you that you don't have to have multiple trimmers and clippers to get this line out. So now I'm going to gradually open the lever, and you see how I'm using my thumb to create tension. This is how you get a nice tight blend. To be honest with you guys, there's really no big secret to doing this. The key is just to make sure that your clippers are set close enough to remove this line. They need to be just below parallel. In other words, there needs to be a small gap in between the steel blade and the cutting blade. When you first set the blades, test them on the insides of your wrist. If it's too sensitive and it leaves a mark, then you know that the blades are set too sharp. What I'm doing right here is very important. You see how I'm not blending straight up? I'm blending at an angle. In order to get a really blurry blend, you need to cut the hair in the way that the hair grows. So I'm cutting against the grain in the direction that the hair grows. Then you can go with the grain to smooth everything together. Lastly, go back and do any touch-up work to remove any dark spots. This is where you use your mirror to show you any imperfections. And to turn every good haircut into a great haircut, you gotta finish off with a crispy lineup. Thank you guys for watching. If you got value out of this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and comment below what other videos you guys want to see.